You're listening to the Scrapbook Collective.
95.3 FM.
If you're interested in what twins think, because we're right here in the studio, we're live.
Yeah.
We're sitting
sharing
here.
thoughts.
Yeah.
Right now. Thanks, Craig. It's a good thought.
No worries.
Yeah.
You have a great shirt. That's
No
what
worries.
I said to him.
Yep.
So, always welcome.
Yeah, well, it is a good shirt. Thanks. Yeah.
No worries, Twinny. So, if you want to hear some more of our,
It's our ability
Yeah.
as twins that no one else has.
special ability,
Yep.
not many people have it because most people come out of the womb once. So, we're thinking if you are wondering, if you want to be curious, buy curious with twinnies. Anyway, give us a call and think of a question to ask us, and we'll see if we can telepathically answer it for you without saying a word to the other twin.
We'll both count to 3, and then we'll both say the answer. So-
Yeah, that's it. At once, spontaneous answer. That will probably sound like a harmony because we'll say the same word. Yeah.
It'll be a nice harmony.
The Scrapbook Collective,
Lick us and stick us on your radio.
Wednesdays 3:30 to 5.
Probably a lot of the people listening want to know is 20 power.
Yeah, it is definitely there. I can feel it.
Yeah.
Every time you do something, even when you're here, I'm not here, I can feel you.
You can feel that, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When this first happened, though, the psychic ability, it was a fair way in, wasn't it? Fair way into our
Into our-
twinniness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Into the womb, is that what you mean?
No, well, no, it wasn't in the womb.
Oh, I know where you're going with this.
Yeah, yeah.
The psychic power.
The psychic power, yeah, the ability.
To read each other's minds.
Yeah, I was 19. I was 19, yeah, about that. A few years ago anyway, and I went away to Canada and went snowboarding.
Yeah, you left me here.
Yeah. I'm sorry I abandoned you.
That's okay, because unfortunately you had a bad time.
I know, yeah. Well, no, I didn't have a bad time.
No, you did, Jeff. Just admit it.
Okay, I had a really bad time.
Because you missed me.
Yeah. No, I went snowboarding and I did a jump and I landed funny.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah. Do you remember the pain?
Yeah, I felt the whole shudder of your legs snap. On the other side of the earth.
I know, it was a bad experience for me and you.
Yeah.
I did a jump, landed funny, twisted my leg and tore my ACL ligament. I think you were skimboarding. Were you skimboarding?
I was skimboarding.
Yeah.
It was a summer day, and I just remember thinking, wow, he's in the middle of snow, and then, gosh.
Yeah.
I thought like a seagull pecked me really hard, but
Right on the knee.
turned out to be your snowboarding accident.
Pain.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I was psychologically traumatised by your pain, which inevitably we had to go to the doctor together.
We did, yeah. We went to him and he...
The guy looked at your knee and went, yeah,
something's wrong.
look, there's something wrong with you. He looked at
Yeah.
me and went, what?
Oh.
Sympathy.
Hey, what are you here for?
This guy has a sympathy disease.
This guy's psychically connected or something weird.
Yeah, but when he found out our last names, he went, oh, so you guys are brothers. More than brothers, sir.
Yeah.
We're twins.
Doctor, sir?
And we put in our capes and flew away.
We did. Just the psychic abilities.
Twin power.
Yeah.
So after that, he was like, right, well, that's cool. I mean, obviously, you guys have a psychic ability.
Yep.
It's a womb thing. I don't understand it. It's science doesn't understand it.
Yep.
But it's there.
And his thing was, you get your knee fixed, being me,
Yeah.
and then the pain in my twinnie will go away.
Yeah, that's what his solution was.
Yeah.
So, and it works.
Yeah.
I'm as happy as rice.
Rice is happy.
Have you seen how happy rice is?
It's pretty
It travels all the way
happy.
around the world. So now the next thing is, the next challenge really, but I want some people to give us a call. Have a think. Ask us a question, a simple question, maybe like what colour is the other twin thinking of?
Yeah.
And we'll say it at the exact same time, like on 3, we'll say something at the same time. Mm-hmm. And if we're correct, psychic ability.
That's proven.
Proven
on air.
Science doesn't need anything. Doesn't need test tubes in orifices. We can say it online, on air right now.
Yeah.
So 9227 5953. Think of a question for us.
You're listening to the Scrapbook Collective.
95.3 FM.
Hello, you there?
Hello.
G'day.
I've got a question for the twins.
Yes.
All right. So how about a number between 1 and 9
Between 1 and 9.
together?
Ooh,
Yeah.
This is really quite a large number here. There's a lot of
numbers between there.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to guess how many there are. But
No.
I guess there's 9, isn't there?
Yeah.
Am I right?
Okay, come on, together on the count of 3.
Wait a minute.
We need to imply the 20 ability first. This doesn't just happen spontaneously.
No, I've got to channel him.
And I first need to release my adrenaline gland for this to work. Let me just put my fingers in places you can't see.
Okay, so you're gonna think of the number,
Yes.
and then I'll channel you.
And you're going to channel me. Okay, let me just clearly... Okay, here we go. I've got it. I'm visualising it for you, Jeff. And
Okay, I'm getting something.
Okay. I want Jess here. You count to 3, Jess, and we'll say the number at the same time.
Yeah.
All right, so you guys, do you feel like you've channeled enough to feel connected?
Yeah,
You
I can
guys
see the number in my mind.
Kaz.
Kazza.
And if you feel any interruptions, you can always, yell out. But this is all live, okay? We're not rigged.
No.
This is true science happening.
This is a psychic ability we're proving.
On 3, you have to say it out loud for the listeners, okay?
Yeah.
So ready? 1, 2, 3.
6. That was why you added 2 on, didn't you?
Both divisible by 2.
It was even numbers.
It was an even number.
Yeah.
Maybe, Jeff, were you trying to tell me the number?
I don't know, but I think you had the fingers in the wrong spot. That's probably what happened.
Okay, well, thanks for that. Kaz, thanks for the call.
No worries.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye.
Well, okay, we didn't prove factually directly there, but I was hoping for maybe a bit more of a visual thing.
Yeah, it's hard to picture the numbers.
I was thinking of times in the Roman sense.
Oh, that's why. Yeah.
Yeah, what were
4 looks like 6 back to front.
See, it all
that's
makes
what
sense.
it was.
Here we go. It's the upside down effect.
It's the mirror effect. It happens when you're psyching, because everything I see is upside down from you.
It's like the eyeball. It sees things upside down, flips it upside down in the brain.
Yep, that's what
Unfortunately, the
happens.
twin power doesn't do that for you.
No.
But, okay. Well, if we can get another caller in probably the next 3 minutes, we'll take it.
Come on, guys. We need to prove this.
We will prove it. We will prove this. We just got a caller on the line. She's just going to prove if Gaffer and I are actually psychic twins. Anne-Marie,
Hello.
thanks for joining us.
That's okay.
So, have you got a question for Gaffer and myself?
Well, I was thinking so you could have more of a visually one of going for animals, but is that too broad?
No, that's good.
Animals is good.
That's good, because even if they're upside down, we can still see them.
The legs won't defer us, don't worry.
All right, give that a go.
Okay. Right,
So you think of it, and I'll...
I think I should channel you this time,
Okay,
Jeff.
I'll think of it this time. No worries.
I think just to make it even.
I think you're a blurred channeler. I think it's me that always channels you.
I'm thinking of a lot here, Jeff, in the studio. I've got to think of the song I'm playing.
This is true.
It's so many things here.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll just stay on the line. Okay, we're gonna do this right now. Okay, Jeff, I want you to channel the animal.
She hasn't decided what animal it is yet.
No, you have to do that. That's not her job.
Oh, right. Yep, sorry. All right, yep.
You're clouding the
Sorry,
system,
my
Jeff.
bad. I'm confused. Now I'm just going to... Okay, I'm channeling the animal. Okay.
Yeah, just want you to think about it. Think about it the way it looks. Don't zoom in, Jeff. Don't use your eyes to zoom in.
I was zooming in. I was moving out.
Don't use close-ups. It's too much for me.
Okay.
Okay, Anne-Marie.
Yeah.
If you could count in for us on the count of 3...
All right.
and then we'll say the animal's just a generic name. I don't want it to be like Charlie or Suzanne. We can't do that. I'm sorry.
Yeah, not the animal's name.
Can't do pets. I'm sorry. On the count of 3,
Okay.
if you could count us in.
Yep. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Elephant.
Elephant.
But I was thinking of an elephant.
That's again upside down. I thought the tail was a trunk.
Oh, yeah. Yes. It's a hard one. Channeling's difficult.
There you go.
So if one of you flicked yourself with an lucky band or something, the other one would feel it. Maybe it's only pain that works.
That's true.
Maybe it is.
Maybe it is only pain.
Yeah.
Well, we might have to readdress this on the next show. Thanks a lot for the call, Anne.
That's all right.
Catch you later.
Bye. Yeah.
20 power.
Proven.
95.3 FM. The Scrapbook Collective.